Fans of the hit TLC reality show 1000 LB Sisters are buzzing once again as new rumors swirl around one of its most beloved stars, Amy Slayton, the mother of two who has been open about her weight loss journey since the show's debut, is now at the center of speculation that she may have secretly undergone a second bariatric surgery. While Amy has shared much of her personal life with viewers over the years, some recent clues have led fans to believe that there may be more to her transformation story than she has revealed. Amy first rose to fame alongside her sister Tammy Slayton when the pair began documenting their journey toward healthier lives. The two sisters initially weighed over 1,000 pounds combined, and their struggle with obesity quickly drew a devoted fanbase. Amy's initial bariatric surgery was a significant turning point, helping her shed a substantial amount of weight and allowing her to fulfill her dream of becoming a mother. She welcomed two beautiful boys and seemed to be thriving. However, over the past several months, viewers have noticed that Amy's weight loss has accelerated once again, prompting whispers that she may have gone under the knife for a second time. Speculation began after Amy posted a series of photos on social media in which she appeared slimmer than ever. Her face looked more contoured, her waistline more defined, and her overall frame significantly smaller. While weight loss can certainly happen naturally through diet and exercise, many fans pointed out that the rapid change seemed unusual. Amy's choice of clothing in recent appearances also fueled the rumors, opting for outfits that showcased her new figure in ways she hadn't before. Side-by-side comparisons of older and newer photos have been making the rounds online, with viewers convinced they're seeing evidence of surgical intervention. Another detail catching the attention of eagle-eyed followers was Amy's brief social media absence. Earlier this year, she had been posting regularly, then suddenly went quiet for several weeks. When she returned, her posts were noticeably different, with brighter energy and a visibly slimmer look. While Amy didn't address the break publicly, some think it may have been a recovery period following surgery. Insiders close to the production have remained tight-lipped, but a source allegedly connected to the show hinted that something significant did happen with Amy's health in recent months. Though they stopped short of confirming a second bariatric surgery, they did say that Amy has been more committed than ever to her health and making decisions for her long-term well-being. The network has neither confirmed nor denied these claims, leaving fans to draw their own conclusions. For many viewers, Amy's weight loss journey is more than just a storyline on a TV show. It's an inspiring example of determination, self-care, and perseverance. Her openness in the past about the challenges of obesity, unhealthy eating habits, and mental health struggles has made her relatable to millions, but it has also created an expectation that she will continue to be transparent about major health decisions. This is why the possibility of a second secret surgery has stirred such intense debate. Some supporters argue that Amy doesn't owe anyone an explanation about her body or health. They point out that as a public figure, she already shares more of her life than most people would ever feel comfortable revealing. If she chose to keep a medical procedure private, it may have been for personal or family reasons. On the other hand, some fans feel that secrecy around such a major change undermines the trust she's built with viewers, and that discussing the process openly could help others struggling with similar issues. Bariatric surgery is not an easy path, and it comes with its own risks and challenges. A second surgery can be even more complex, involving revisions to the original procedure or additional adjustments to the stomach and digestive system. Recovery can be painful and requires strict adherence to diet and lifestyle changes. For someone like Amy, who has already been through one operation, the decision to go through it again would not have been made lightly. This is why, if the rumors are true, it would mark another bold step in her quest for a healthier life. Amy has hinted in the past that she wants to continue improving her fitness, not just for herself but for her children. She has spoken about wanting to be an active mom, able to keep up with her boys as they grow and explore the world. In interviews, she's also acknowledged the pressure of maintaining weight loss after surgery, which can be just as challenging as losing the weight in the first place. This adds to the plausibility of her opting for additional help through medical means. Meanwhile, Tammy Slayton, Amy's sister, has been facing her own health battles but has also made incredible strides in her own weight loss journey. Their parallel stories have kept fans hooked season after season, showing that transformation is possible even in the face of daunting obstacles. The possibility of Amy's second surgery also raises questions about how the show might handle it. If it's true, would it become a major storyline in an upcoming season, or would it remain a behind-the-scenes event only hinted at in passing? The show has never shied away from medical content in the past, often showing hospital visits, surgeries, and emotional Therapy sessions. These moments tend to resonate deeply with viewer because they reveal the raw reality behind the dramatic weight loss numbers. As it stands, Amy has neither confirmed nor denied the speculation. She continues to post updates about her daily life, her kids, and occasional glimpses of her fitness progress without directly addressing the rumors. Fans are left piecing together clues from her public appearances, wardrobe choices, and facial expressions. Some believe that when the time is right, Amy will share the full story, whether it involves a second surgery or simply a more aggressive fitness plan. Until then, the mystery continues. Regardless of the truth, there's no denying that Amy Slayton looks healthier and happier than ever. Her journey is a testament to the fact that change is possible and that self-care can take many forms. Whether she achieved her latest transformation through Gary lifestyle changes or a combination of both, she remains an inspiration to countless people struggling with weight-related challenges. As fans eagerly await more information, one thing is certain: Amy's story is far from over, and her resilience will continue to be a defining part of her public image. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.